Guys, ito yung bago itatayo ang Mangaldan Bed and Breakfast. Nakikita niyo dito na from the scratch talaga binuild namin ang Mangaldan Bed and Breakfast. Ito, wala pang structure, nilalagay pa yung foundation, and pati mga poste nandyan lang. So ngayon, bago natin ipakita yung finished and fully constructed Mangaldan Breakfast, balikan natin ang mga nangyari at naganap way back 2023. I think starting June. Ayan po mga construction workers, ginagawa nila yung ating Mangaldan Bed and Breakfast. Mahaba po siya, I think around 240 square meters, and each unit is around 40 to 50 square meters each.